the Son of God chose to take it all for the bride He had always planned. Hallelujah, Jesus has overcome. Hallelujah, Christ the risen one. Should I falter, you hold me fast, my beginning and my end. My hope secured in the sacrifice of a God who is called me friend. Now the Son alive and our sin dethroned, none can comprehend. Oh, this love of Christ, He is